speed, but the money moves slow. Mama says, son, keep your head real strong. So I studied the nights while the days went wrong. From the blocks to the books, from pain to plans. Now I read candlesticks like the lines on my hands. Market go up, market come down, but discipline alone make the king wear crown. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Balling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same hustle, new late, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Quick money fade like smoke in the air. So I wait on the set of proper risk, proper care. London open vibe in New York come true. Every trade tell a story, every loss teach truth. No scam, no bluff, no blood on their hands. Just pips some percentage, just stick to the plan. While them chase the hype and flex for the gram. I come point quiet like a righteous man. From the streets to the charts, yeah we rise. Forex on the screen, see the truth in the lines. No rush, no hype, just patience and art. Calling clean money with a calm, cool heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Money is a tool, not the soul of a man. Freedom is the goal, that's the master plan. We don't worship gold, we control the flow. Plant seeds in the market, let the future grow. Now the youths them watch and them marks go so. I tell them learn skill, don't sell your soul. From the streets we came, but we don't stay there. Knowledge turn pressure into millionaire prayer. Still humble with roots, still love the art. But the charts them pay when you play them smart. From survival mode to ownership art. Legacy building, that's the real part. From the streets to the charts, hear my song. Reggae in my blood, market in my palm. Balling from wisdom, not luck or darts. Clean money, clear mind, disciplined heart. From the streets to the charts, yeah we free. Generational change turn to equity. Same muscle, new lane, new start. Now we ball from the markets, not the dark. Yeah, yeah. From the streets to the charts.
Hello. It's been a minute, man. It's been really long. I hope you're doing fine, and I hope you can hear me. So today I'm checking on NAS 100 as usual, and I hope everyone has been great, man. So if you can hear me, just tell me hello. At least I'll know that you're hearing me. So over the weekend we've had so much going on. Iran was like kaboom, and from that I guess we might see like something in US 100, and you can see I have my levels marked down here. Okay, so I'm looking for price to come to this area of interest here, the eyed level here, you can see, right? And this is my 4-hour chart. Okay, and we also have these other low here. These two are equal lows, and these two equal lows, I don't think the market will leave them open, considering we are in a bearish trend. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll make sure I check out the 15 minutes and see what the market wants to do, and perhaps we might get some. Okay, you also have a volume imbalance here created overnight when price opened. You can see this part here. This is the volume imbalance. This shaded area here is a 4-hour up close candle, right? let's reduce the opacity, but I think you can see it. Okay, so I'm just looking for any opportunities to trade. Okay, it's not necessary that I'll trade this, it's a must, but if an opportunity presents itself, I'm going in, right? So you can see Asia here. Asia did some diving inside that volume imbalance, then we left that volume imbalance, then we came down during London and we left this level here. See, these two levels, these are equal lows, and I think they are really very important. So it's 9:32. I'll just be watching and just watching. That's the whole agenda right now. We need to be nimble. We need to be very, very, very nimble while trading today, because over the weekend you know what happened, right? So that can invite what do we call them, black swan events. Price just shot up during the equities open. Let's check the 3 minutes. You can see price just shot up. Let's go check it in the 1 minute time frame. In the 1 minute time frame, what do we have here? You can see price just started going up. It just started going up, nothing of importance, and we are approaching that what do we call it, the volume imbalance. Those two red lines is the volume imbalance. When you look in the 1 hour chart, let's see what we have there. Yeah, you can see we reacted off this fair value gap here. We reacted off this area here. In the 15 minutes. So I guess it's very logical to think that we might try and go past these highs over here. They seem to clean these 3 highs here. I think we might try and get to that point, but I hope the market comes for me first before going up. If it comes at this marked level here, I'm buying. Definitely I'm buying. Let me mark it in red actually, so that I can know. Let's put it like a deep red, right? So if the market can come to this position here, I'm gonna buy it. Man. I'll buy it and target at least this. It's actually 3 equal highs. This is awesome. If it can give us some entry, we can target is it Friday's high? Yeah, it's Friday's high, and you can see we have pockets of liquidity here. These liquidity voids, these ones, we can dump around there. Yeah, so what we'll be doing is that we'll just be waiting, and I want you to understand that we have a high impact news in the next actually 25 minutes. We have high impact news, so we can just sit by our hands and watch how it presents itself during the 10:30 a.m. If it gives us some good, let's say, good entries, we're gonna take it. Yeah, we're gonna take it. But based on how it's going, man, we might miss some. But I don't care. I really don't care, because the markets will always provide. Even if it's not today, the markets will always provide. So it's been a minute since I it's been a minute since I did something in YouTube. So, but today I think, yeah, it's good. It's good that I'm back. I feel quite well. That break was necessary, man. It was very necessary. So let's go back to the chart and see in the 5 minutes what we're doing. Yeah, I hope we can like come back around this point here, like 24,665. I hope we can get around that point there. If you can come at that point, man, it will be a very good buying area. Okay, let's label this area volume imbalance. Volume imbalance, yeah, those two lines. Okay, I don't know if we will close above it. If we close above it, we might try and get to this point, this Friday's high. We might try and get to Friday's high, but if it can come to a point around 24,676, 24,677 ish. If we can come at that point, we can try buying. Yeah, we can try buying once we come at this area here. Yeah, I won't be buying like once it's like it reaches there. I'll at least wait for something like some confluence, so that I can maybe reduce my stop loss. I don't want to be exposed so much, you know. So we've filled the volume imbalance. Yeah, but we still have some little imbalance over here that's not filled. This portion here, we have this portion. See, we have this portion. So I hope they don't feel it, so that they engineer, so that we can have these two highs here. This level like 24, 24. Let's look at the high. The high comes at 24,860.7, and this other high, the recently made high here, it comes at for 24,844.7. So these two highs here, I'd love for them to remain that way. Before they shouldn't run those highs before, let's say, what do we call it, before 10 a.m. Okay, that will be one of the drawn liquidity that will be working come 10 a.m. Okay, so we'll just be waiting. We will just be waiting, doing nothing, not pulling triggers. It's still early, right? I see we're starting to drop, like really dropping. I hope we test this fair value gap here. We've created a fair value gap in the 5 minutes time frame. I hope we see some form of lip retracement. Yeah, I'm still convinced we will take these highs first. I mean Friday's high, because we've been going down, and we were in a discount level. So it makes sense. It really makes sense to like go up. Okay, but I won't be targeting like so much. No, I won't be targeting so much. Come on, Mr. Nas.